We are pulling out all the stops for the Miata.
Woo!
Woo! Justin's got all his shop tools, setting them all up nice and neat on his table so that we're real organized, and we're gonna just bump this motor out. See you guys on the other side. The wire needs to be cut.
Okay.
So just cut it wherever, right there.
That's how you remove them. Just cut all the wires.
When you've tapped in for nitrous, it is. You've got map sensor, cam sensor, and knock sensor.
Sorry, yeah, that makes sense.
I jumped my nitrous power wire off of the back of my alternator because I needed a wire that goes up into this relay. Don't forget about that when I put it back together, me. Got it.
Worst case, you just yank it.
And the coolant temp sensor connections are there.
Yeah, Jesus.
This one can go up here. This one has to go in.
ATI Super Tamper. Ah, what? Oh yeah, you're welcome.
Hey, there it is.
Yeah, it just fucking.
Just falls right off.
I
need a pair of dikes.
I need a pair of dikes. Not in the back of the head.
I need a pair of dikes.
Dikes. Stat. There are two women who like to lick each other's vaginas.
I always thought it was because they're scissoring.
Yeah.
Because it's called diagonal cutters. So people shorten it for dikes.
I mean, see, this is the shit that no one cares.
Oh, do you mean the real reason?
Insert that little star of the more you know.
Yeah, exactly. World's longest bolt.
Can you pull that current, that wire that I was fucking with up and out of the way?
Yep, and 1 second.
The what?
Do it now. Why are you taking that out? It was
Because I want to, so when we move the motor up and forward, that's not in the way. Fucking with me. You'll thank me later.
now we can take everything out. You might have to push it up while you're doing that from underneath.
No, they're not. I promise you, it looked like the rear was.
The jack stand's probably moving because when the engine's out of this thing weighs nothing.
Yeah, that's exactly the shot.
See this? Peter.
Wow.
It's not sketchy, so stop thinking it is. Just good old distilled water. It's high enough.
You got it, you got it, you got it. Let it spin. It's going to want to rotate. Let it rotate. It'll be fine.
That's good.
You pull that back. Stabilize the engine on.
Now it's so, hold on.
We got the bottom of this thing opened up, and we're going to just pull one of these rod caps, see what the bearings look like. Safety first and teamwork.
Flathead holder.
Oh, that's what I like to see. Yeah, definitely a good idea right there.
Just a little bit.
All right, so we got the cap off. It only took 25 minutes. Let's see it. Let's see it. It's
You want to see the actual
No,
bearing?
like run your fingernail in it and.
Yeah, I mean, well, you can't actually feel a whole lot with your fingernail, but I don't have a. But you can see there's a decent amount of scoring there. Normally, I would say that's not terrible, but I don't see any glaze left either, so it's definitely worn in. I don't know a whole lot about engines as far as this stuff goes, like tolerances, but to me, I feel like that could be an issue. So, because I think
Let's put it back together and either get it over to the shop or.
Where does it go?
Just like that.
In my butt.
Yeah, put it in your butt. I'll give you $10.
Make it 20.
Done.
Turn the camera off.
No. 30 if we can film it.
45, you got a deal.
We're here at MBR. Gonna go check out my engine, get it all inspected, I guess, see what kind of damage is there.
We're going to send it out and get it magged, make sure it's not cracked.
Okay.
The mains are the ones that
Yeah.
go down in the copper.
Did you get looked at? Did you look at the cam bearings at all?
Looked like it had some dirt go through it.
Yeah. Anything blaringly obvious about these guys?
No, they didn't look too bad. It just looks like it was a little dirt went through it.
Well, I mean, the thing was built probably 3.5 years ago. It's probably got 50 events on it.
Oh, that's not
So,
too bad, man.
No.
I thought it was just put together.
No, definitely not.
The block.
The cam was new, though. The cam's only probably got 6 or 7 events on it. Yeah. Don't look too bad. Okay, cool. Sweet. Is that my crank?
Yeah, I would mag it first, make
Mhm.
sure it's not cracked.
Yeah.
Mains are a little rough on it.
Right. Oh, okay.
It's 10 under. That's a 10. And that's a 10.
Is there still life left on that crank then?
Yeah, I mean, you can grind it 30, 40 under.
Okay. Cool.
There's a rod starting to get a little copper on it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I mean, we were expecting to see a lot worse, but
Right.